Presentation on smart home automation using voice assistant. Name of students Lilesh Dharmik, Sushil Gugul, Safal Ramteke, Himani Shahare, Vaishnavi Chauhan. Under the guidance of Professor Jayant Adhikari Sir. Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patel College of Engineering and Technology. Introduction. Our project proposes such inexpensive system. It uses the Google Assistant, the IFTTT application, the Blink application and the Node MCU microcontroller as the major component along with a relay board comprising of 4 to 8 relays. Natural language voice is used to give commands to the Google Assistant. It also uses the Bluetooth app for offline uses when there is no internet connectivity. All of the components are connected over the internet using Wi-Fi, which puts this system under the IoT. Some of the modules that are used in our projects are: first, Node MCU ESP32. It is a microcontroller unit, refers to open source firmware. Firmware is dependent on ESP32. Second is relay board. Any relay acts as a switch for any appliances connected to it. On or off signal is provided by microcontroller. 4-channel relay is used in the proposed system. Blink application. Blink is a platform that allows us to rapidly build an interface for the hardware device to control and monitor them. Blink is dedicated to Internet of Things. Blink app is available for both Android and iOS system. Fifth, IFTTT application. We use this service to allow the communication between Google Assistant and Blink application. Connection between two applications, a Blink token is required. Fifth, Google Assistant. Google Assistant is an AI-enabled software agent provided by Google. It is used to accomplish tasks for a user based on the commands provided by him. Here, we use it to provide voice commands to operate home appliances. Now we see how our project works. When system starts, it initializes peripheral and check that internet is connected to the internet or not. If yes, then voice assistant will start by hearing OK Google, and it check does the command match with the command set in IFTTT application. If command matched, then appliances will on or off. If not matched, then it return to Google Assistant hearing step. If system is not connected to the internet, Bluetooth application will start and send data to Node MCU ESP32 to control appliances. So this is all about the theoretical part. Now we see the running part of our project. This is our final year project, Smart Home Automation by Voice Assistant. In this video, I am going to show you connections and working of this project. So, first component is Node MCU ESP32 Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth module, which is our motherboard of our project. Second is 4-channel relay board that is used as a switch. Another are some appliances connected to it like light, fan, LED, etc. We are using 9-volt battery in this project because this fan and LED require DC power supply, but we can also use AC power supply for AC fan and AC LED. As this Node MCU required plus 5-volt DC power supply, we provide plus 5-volt 1 ampere DC power supply by using this smartphone charger. We provide plus 5-volt power supply to this relay board by using Node MCU ESP32, and another all appliances are connected to this relay board. We are providing AC supply to these all appliances which is going through this relay module. This is all about connections, and now we are going to check working of this project. To control appliances, we use 3 ways. One is Blink app, by which we can control appliances manually over internet. Another one is Google Assistant, by which we can control appliances by voice. Last one is Bluetooth app, by which we can control appliances without internet by Bluetooth. Once we switch on project, all appliances will on, then we can control them by Blink app, Bluetooth app or voice assistant. So I am going to start main AC supply to start the project. It will take some time to boot up the Node MCU. So we turn on the mobile hotspot which provide internet connection to Node MCU. Now system is connected to internet as you can see here. So this is the Blink app. We can create it 4 buttons as we have 4 appliances to control. We can control all appliances by using this app manually. Hey Google, turn on the light. Hey Google, turn off light. If there is no internet connection, we can control this project by using Bluetooth app. First, we will disconnect the internet connection. Now, this Node MCU is not connected to the internet. Now, we will control the appliances by using Bluetooth app. We just turn on our smartphone Bluetooth and simply select the ESP32 Bluetooth name. Then go to the Bluetooth app and click on connect button. You will see the list of Bluetooth name. Then select the ESP32 Bluetooth name. Now the Node MCU is connected to the Bluetooth as you can see here. So now you can control all the appliances by Bluetooth without internet. Okay, that is it. So this is our final year project, smart home automation by using voice assistant. If you have any query, you can ask. Thank you.